Okay. Not pause, sir. Stop now.
Yes, sir, I stopped it. Again, I started.
Yeah. Today's topic very very important. Compulsory 4 mark question in the examination. Second page, 2021. You are seeing now continuity and different continuity. Only continuity. 4 marks. Compulsory. Maybe this time they can give 8 marks. You know why? Indeterminate 4 mark question properties, by using properties questions are there now that they deleted now. So both questions they may give for continuity only. So 4 plus 4 8 marks this time. But 4 marks compulsory you need to attend that. So 4 marks continue. Now I can give 7 questions, dear students. Out of 7, 1 question will appear in the examination. Compulsory, no doubt. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Question number 1. Copy question. Find relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 x less than or equal to 3 bx plus 3 x greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. You need to understand the question first. That's why I wrote question on board. Everybody copy question slowly. Yes. Copied everybody? So we start the question solution. Yes. They said given function is continuous at x is equal to 3. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Given less than or equal to 3 means 3 minus, greater than 3 means 3 plus. Okay. Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus means first function ax plus 1. Apply limit means in place of x substitute 3. A into 3 plus 1. That means 3a plus 1. Now consider right hand limit. Limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 3 second function bx plus 3. That is equal to in place of x substitute 3. b into 3 plus 3. That means 3b plus 3. Given f is continuous at x is equal to 3. That means left hand limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. What is the left hand limit? 3a plus 1 is equal to what is right hand limit? 3b plus 3. Interchange. 3a is equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1. 3a is equal to 3b plus 2. 3 divided. A is equal to 3b by 3 plus 2 by 3. A is equal to 3 cancel. B plus 2 by 3. They are not asking A and B values. What they are asking? Relationship between A and B. A is B plus 2 by 3. That is the relation between A and B. What I did here, very simple. In place of x substitute 3, what you will get? 3a plus 1. In place of x substitute 3, what you will get? 3b plus 3. Just to equate both. 1 transfer right hand side, minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 transfer right hand side, 3b by 3, 2 by 3. 3 cancel. B plus 2 by 3. A is equal to b plus 2 by 3. These are the notations. Left hand limit. First step carefully. X tends to 3 minus. But here you cannot write 3 minus. Why? Already you apply limit. That's why. Here also 3 plus substitute. Copy it. Any doubt you can ask. No doubt. Sanjana, no. Neelam, any doubt? Anushree?
No, sir.
Steps as it is what I am explaining, you can write that exactly. The final exam also these steps enough. Three minus the function में अदा कर लो. Even if is continuous, x equal to 3. That means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. 3 minus means left hand limit. 3 plus means right hand limit. Both are equal. Clear? Next one. The second question, dear students. Steps are lesser, marks are more. Like that. F of x is equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x. If x not equal to pi by 2. 3. If x is equal to pi by 2. Is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, find k. You can find the value of k. Everybody see both side. Consider the left hand limit equal to pi by 2, not equal to pi by 2 means you can consider pi by 2 minus or pi by 2 plus anything. Okay. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. First function k cos x by pi minus 2x. Carefully observe the steps. That is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 k into cos x, you write sin 90 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. By take 2 common, pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Now, k by 2 outside. Limit x tends to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x. This complete value, you know how much? 1. K by 2 into 1, how much? K by 2. Next step. f of pi by 2 is given as 3, second function. Given f is continuous at x is equal to 3. That means limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. These two values are same on the entire. K by 2 is equal to 3. Cross multiply k is how much? 6. And so on. E cos x sin 90 minus x into pi by 2. Denominator take 2 as common, pi by 2 minus x. K by 2 is constant, right outside. What is this value? 1. K by 2 into 1, k by 2. This value 3, both equal. K by 2 is equal to 3, k is 6. Here you write one step. F of pi by 2 is equal to 3. Given f is continuous, so this value is equal to this value, k is 6. 2020 they given this question for 4 marks. So 21 100%. Sometimes they will repeat 20, 21, 22, 3 times they can repeat. So there is a chance of getting the marks. Copy it everybody. Copy it. Slowly you can copy it. Step by step you can understand first meaning. Okay. WhatsApp group, no? It will disconnect shortly, you can finish it. Done. Completed everybody? I repeat once again, x tends to pi by 2. Cos x, right, sin pi by 2 minus x. Denominator, if you take 2 common, pi by 2 minus x. K by 2 is constant, right, outside of limit. Remaining value how much? 1. K by 2. It is equal to pi by 2 means 3. So f of pi by 2 means 3. Both equal. K by 2 is 3, k is 6. But these notations you need to understand clearly. So for that you can practice this question 3 times. Don't be lazy while practicing. 3 times if you practice, you will remember. Remembering steps, each and every step is very, very important. Okay. Understand? Next question. Now, one more question. F of x is equal to kx square, x less than or equal to 2, 3x greater than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2, find k. This is very simple, easy question, dear students, not a difficult one. Less than or equal to 2 means 2 minus, greater than 2 means 2 plus. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus its first function kx square. Apply limit in place of x 2 square. That means 2 square means 4k. Take the upper limit 2 plus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus means 3. Directly 3 only. Don't multiply anything because there is no x. When there is no x, only constant is there. Constant itself is answer. Given f is continuous at x is equal to 2. That means limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. That means 4k is equal to 3. K is 3 by 4. Simple question. They may ask us. Still now they didn't ask this question, but they may ask. If you say oral limits 2 substitute here, 2 square how much 4? 4k is equal to 3. K is 4 by 3 by 4. Very simple. But notations are very, very important. 2 minus 2 plus. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. 4k is 3, k is 3 by 4. Understand? This is the third question. I said 7 question I will explain. This is the third one, very, very important. 5 marks, 4 marks. Continue. Copy it. Copy it, everybody.